What is up? For real, what's up? Happy Tuesday. We're here to get a warm up in, get a workout in, get our bodies moving, grooving, feel good, and like always, just move the needle every day. A little bit of improvement over time. We look back and we can't believe the journey that we've covered. So remember, it's a little bit over a long span of time, not a lot in a single day. That's gonna make the difference. Let's get warmed up. We're gonna begin today with our standard 3 minutes to 5 minutes of monostructural movement. Run, row, plank. Let's just get the heart rate up. You could do some single unders, you could do burpees with no push up. We're just looking to move the body for 3 to 5 minutes in a gentle fashion. After that, we're gonna do some rolling, foam roll, lacrosse ball, stretching out. I really like Cossack squats to kind of get my blood pumping. Maybe prep the wrists because we know we're using a bar today if we have one. Get the lats warmed up, big hip circles. We're just gonna stretch and foam roll for another 3 to 5 minutes. After that, we're gonna grab a single dumbbell or weight and begin our warm up for the day. For today's warm up, we're gonna begin with 20 walking lunges. If you don't have the space to walk, that's okay. We'll step back and then step back up. What we want to focus on here is that we go through full range of motion, that your knee makes it all the way to the ground. You remain upright, and we drive through this front foot to bring us back to the top. 20 reps. Then we're going to move forward, either a dumbbell or a kettlebell or a weight. Hang power snatch. So we'll go from the hang. We're going to pull the elbow high and then flick the wrist to the top to pull ourselves under. It's a lot like a weighted disco here. 10 reps or 5 per side, alternating each rep. Then we'll finish up with a 50-foot crawl. We want to keep our back flat, so we're not in a bear crawl, it's more like a core crawl. Nice and slow on this crawl. Spine is neutral. Hips and shoulders are the same height off the ground, and invest in this. It should take us about 35 to 45 seconds. It's not going to be easy. That's okay. We're warming up and firing up the core. Now that we're warmed up, we're going to move forward, and for our Metcon today, we're going to work through an EMOM of 15 minutes with 3 stations. So we're going to go through each station 5 times. The stations are going to begin with 40 double unders or 75 single unders. So for that, we'll need our jump rope. Station 2 is going to be burpees over the bar or over your dumbbell if that's all you have. Station 3 is going to be some clean work. Let's take a look at the movements in detail. In station 1, like I said, we're going to do 40 double unders or single unders. Single unders just around one time, jump one time. A double under is going to be 2 spins for each jump. We're looking to complete this work in 30 to 35 seconds each round. Station 2 is going to be 10 bar facing burpees. On a bar facing burpee, we're going to be perpendicular to the bar, get totally flat, come up, or you can step to the bar, 2 feet take off, land, get perpendicular to the bar. In order for us to do 10, we're going to have to be moving at a pretty rapid rate. Again, we want to modify so we can complete all the given reps in 30 to 35 seconds. If you can't complete 10, then make it 8 or 7 or 6 or a number that works for you. Finally, in station 3, we're going to complete 1 power clean plus 1 hang squat clean. So our feet are going to be under our hips. We're going to be in an athletic stance similar to that of a linebacker or to that of a defensive player in basketball. We're going to reach our hands down. Make sure we get tension on the bar first. Back is neutral. Pull up. High and catch. Back down. Squat clean. Choose weight that's going to get challenging over the 5 rounds. I recommend somewhere between 70 and 75%. This is not just high heart rate. We're actually looking for a challenging lift here. After the EMOM, we're going to finish up today with some core work. So now that you're good, sweaty, and feeling fantastic, we're going to go through 3 rounds for quality, not for time, of a 100-foot farmer's walk with weight in each hand, and then a 1-minute plank hold. You can rest as needed between rounds and between movements. This is a finisher for quality, not for time. Thank you guys for joining us. I hope you have a great workout today. Thanks for watching the video or seeing us today at the gym. Remember, we're open gym 5:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. every day. Stop and get a workout in. Thank you guys for hanging with us. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay human. I'll see you on Wednesday.